Today we'll be answering the question, what colors do you use to paint 501st clones? The good thing about clones is that they come in different shades of white. So even if you're horrible at matching colors, you're still good to go. My main goal when I'm selecting a paint color is to make sure that they just kind of blend in. For a bright white like this clone here, I tend to use Wicked White. It's actually pretty close to the brightness of this Real Action Heroes clean clone that we have. To get something close to Sideshow clones, one of the good paint alternatives that I've found is Vallejo's Deck Tan. It actually gets pretty close to this grimy off-white color. The good thing about these two paints is that if you mix them, it gives you a wide option of different shades of white that you could use to paint your clones. So the way I make the white that I use on my clones is 3 parts. First, I take Wicked White, and then I mix it with Vallejo Deck Tan. And then I add reducer on top of that to thin the paint. Mix those up and you should be good to go. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the two whites. On the right, we have the Hot Toys clone, and on the left, we have the custom white that we just mixed. The easiest way to match the blue on a 501st clone is actually just to buy Citadel Canter Blue. It's actually a very close color to what Hot Toys uses for their 501st Troopers. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.